Today we're winterizing the 57. Here we have concentrated coolant. I just topped it off. There it is. Oh, it's just down a little bit off from where I filled it, so it's settled in all the nooks and crannies by now. So now I'll put this top back on, set this screw. And there's already water, straight water, in the radiator. We have a tester right there to see just how much coolant and water we need to add or take away or whatever. All right. Can you do it?
Got your choke on?
No. Maybe you want some.
Got your power on?
Yep. Oh no. It's still having trouble with flooding just a little bit out the top of the carburetor, so we're gonna have to rebuild it. Smokey's in the cab and he doesn't know what's going on. Uh-oh. What could have caused it to quit like that? What could have caused it to quit like that so sudden?
Taking the choke off too soon.
Oh. So now, because it's cooler, it wants a little bit of choke.
When this is nice and warm, you know it's circulating, and you've got to mix, and then we'll test it for you.
Okay.
How much did you have to put in it?
Almost the whole gallon.
Hopefully that's about right.
Yeah.
Because it's like 70 below when it's concentrate.
Yeah.
So if it takes 2 gallons and it's 50-50, it'll get you to 35 below. But
Yep. This is our tester. Once it gets up to temperature, we're going to test that once it's all circulated and mixed up with the water. Got out of the truck the last time, I put enough weight on this step where this little bit right here that was holding it decided to break. So right now this step is basically useless. So this handle right here comes in real handy right now. That's weird.
yes!
Yeah! What year is this?
Second!
bit.
Well, the throttle's not working.
Oh. Hi.
Needs carburetor work, I think.
Yeah, we can do that in winter.
So now get the tester.
Okay, Trey, where'd you set it? There we go. Here's the board to prop up the hood.
Reach down here and grab some of that. The antifreeze is really dirty.
Yeah.
It's bouncing around between 10 below and 0, which isn't good enough. So what we'll do is top off the radiator, because you've been leaking out your heater core this whole time.
Yeah.
So that will make more room, and we'll fill it right to the top, start it up again, and then we'll make it stronger, okay?
Okay.
Just grab another jug.
Here's the rest of this jug.
Okay, give me that other jug, Trey. Start it back up, circulate it again. So the more we can get in it right now, the better off you're going to be.
Good.
Just get stronger and stronger, because what you're doing is taking up for that water we had in it for when we first ran it.
Yep.
And flushed it. So I got your parking brake. Oh yeah, it's taking a lot. You're going to be all set with this one. This is going to get you really good.
Good.
So, you want to go make sure it's a neutral for us?
Yep.
Thermostat is open.
Okay.
Good shape?
Yep. Battery isn't hooked up.
Something clicked.
Hmm.
So that means you have to unhook this,
Yep.
because something's taking power.
Gotta be the voltage regulator.
That got you from 0 to 15 below.
Nice. What's the coldest we usually get?
We haven't hit that for many years.
Good.
The coldest I ever worked in was 32 below, actually.
At night?
In the 90s. Yeah, it was a 90s, yeah. The next time you drive it, and it leaks a little more, we'll get you even better. But that, just write it down so we know. But
Yeah.
we don't usually get that cold. It's not good enough yet, is what I'm getting at.
Yeah.
Where's the camera?
It's on that. Oh, the radiator tap? Oh, okay.
But you're a lot better, since you were at 32 above 0, is where it would have froze.
Yeah.
And now you're at 15 below.
Which is really good.
Alright, so we'll take your battery in.
It's been a few days now since I've driven the truck. You might have noticed it wasn't running very well, and that's because the accelerator pump went bad. My dad says sometimes they behave themselves for a little bit when you first get something fired up, and then after a while the damage done to them from just sitting and that rubber piece going bad starts to show itself. So it was running fine before, went bad, so I took the carburetor off. Here it is, sitting on the back of the other 57. And the accelerator pump is hooked up to this right here, and it shoots extra gas down into the engine when you rev it up so it doesn't get too much air and try to stall. So I'm going to check the numbers. I'm going to order a full, proper rebuild kit, and that'll wipe out any problem this carburetor could possibly have. I might even be able to get the governor working right, because right now, if we have the governor hooked up, it doesn't rev up at all. And it was that way before it sat, so that wasn't a problem that developed just from sitting. So, that'll be it for this video. The next one about this truck is going to be rebuilding the carburetor, once I get the rebuild kit in the mail, that is, and getting it ready for its first real job. It's going to be something real special, so I can't wait to show you. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that when that video comes out, you'll know it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!